Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the old chats in Claude AI. So first of all, come here on Claude AI and then sign in into your account. Now, when you are here on this particular page, it might be looking blank to you, but in order to get the options of your previous chats, you just have to simply hover over to this particular section in the top left hand corner. Now, as you hover over to it, you are going to see all of the options that are available inside your Claude's AI dashboard. So among these, you are going to see this section that says chats and tasks. And here inside it, you are going to see all of your previous conversations. Now, if you have a lot of conversations available here, and if you are not able to find your specific conversation inside it, then you can also use the search feature of Claude AI. And in that particular search feature, you can just simply type the topic of the conversation that you had. And when you are able to find it in the search result, you can simply click on that in order to open it. So that's how basically you can find out the old chats in Claude AI. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.